चलो, last 3 to 4 days for your exam, right? Memory based questions हो गए, 30-second questions हो गए, architectural terms are done, principles and elements of design are done, mental ability is done, riddles, everything is done. But you need to implement these two things if you want to really score good in your NATA 2020. Which are these two things? Very simple. First one is an unwavering sense of focus. You need to have absolute focus on your exam right now. If there is something, someone or anything that is distracting you a little bit from your exam, you need to let it go. As simple as that. Secondly, and most importantly, is you have to have a peace of mind when you are going for the exam. See, no war is won with a restless, agitated mind. Find your peace, find your center, and then go for the exam. That is the best way that you can prepare for the next 3 to 4 days. Alright, so talking about getting a good score in NATA 2021 July attempt, I had explained in the last video that the best strategy to get a good score in NATA 2021 is test series, and there was a paid program also, but it is just not possible for everyone. So I had promised you that I will give you 5 power tests and 3 mock tests on YouTube for free, no charges for that. And I have already delivered on 4 of the power modules, but I was thinking the other day that, see, this is not the format of the exam. You don't see a video and otherwise. So I thought that I would give you a better real life experience. And see, I anyways have an app, right? And the test can be taken there or on the website also. It is just a easier process for me. It is just an easier process for you. You can see your section wise scores. You can see what your rank is among all the students that are there, and just a time efficient exercise. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to shift the remaining power test, that is 1 power test, and we are going to shift all the 3 mock tests to the app now. Now, how do you take part in this? Let me tell you. The process is actually pretty simple. I will give you the links to download the app in the description box, both Android and iOS devices. You download the app, register using your number. It will ask you an ORG code, so you use that as ARH, and once you are registered on the home page, it will ask you to send a join request or to batch request ke liye. Then you need to use this code, and you put that. When you put that in, I will see it and I will accept it, and you will add it to the batch, and that's it. You are sorted and you are good to go. And the next part is the test series. Alright, so now you are added to the batch, and the next step is test series, and here is the schedule of the test series. Now, 7th of July, 6 PM, I will be giving you the first test on the app, that is Power Test 5. Now consider it as an orientation test so that you get the hang of the test and app overall. And on 8th and from 8th, we are going to have 3 full tests for NATA 2021. So you will have full test on 8th, 9th and 10th. The time for that is going to be 3 hours. It is going to be exactly as your NATA test, except for the 30-second test. It will start at 10 AM and it will finish at 2 PM. You can give the exam only between this time slot. If you exceed the time limit, it will automatically submit, and the test is going to be of 2 hours 45 minutes because we have to practice, we have to keep some time extra, so that will also help you with the 30-second questions. So 7th of July, 6 PM, you have your first Power Test 5. Then 8th, 9th and 10th, from 10 to 2 PM, you have 3 full mock tests. This is how the test series is going to be. Alright, so once the test is done, you can see your score, you can see the right solutions, you can also see your section wise score, and you can also see what rank you have in that particular batch. So this is you get automatically after the test is over. Now, if you have any problem with the question, you can report that question, and if I find the question has a problem, I will correct it and your score will be reflected as well. Only thing that I will not be able to do is I will not be able to discuss this test in any form, and I will not be putting the test on YouTube as we have been doing with the previous test. So those 2 things I will not be able to do. But I think because we are shifting to a more real life experience, it would be better for you and me as well. So this is what test series is going to be. Also, these tests are different from the Power Model test series that is going on with 8 full tests and the discussions of that. But if there are any important question that I feel have the possibility of coming in the exam, I will add few of them in the 3 full test series as well. Okay, chalo. So you know what to do now. You have the links. Download the app, register, use the credentials, get to the batch, and get the test series, get a good score. And yeah, see, बहुत कम टाइम बचा है, कोई कसर नहीं छोड़नी, पूरी जान लगा देनी है. Alright? Take care of yourself. Expect more.
Experience magic.